Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while. That is a video for another day. I promise I will film like a where I've been update video soon, but it's just been crazy the last couple months. Long story short, I am working like full-time now, so it's really hard for me to film these days, but film an entire video just like updating you guys on everything. But I wanted to film a video before the holiday and I miss you guys. I miss filming. I just literally like have been swamped and I haven't had time to film literally at all, but I wanted to sit down and film with you guys before the holiday went by without even like saying anything. So I had some time to film this morning. The lighting's super weird because it's like raining outside. I had to sit down and film a holiday look for you guys. I posted one like on shorts a couple days ago that was more like in like alt emo, very much my vibe kind of holiday look, but I wanted to also do kind of like a more classic holiday look for you guys as well if you guys needed like a last minute look to do for this weekend slash Monday or whatever, or if you're not even celebrating at all, a really cute little girly look. I don't know. I just wanted to sit down and film and just like talk with you guys. I just have so much to update you guys on, but I'm definitely like very much in like the holiday spirit this year, so I wanted to just play around with some makeup. I'm gonna play around with this palette too. This is the ColourPop Rudolph palette, and if you guys don't know, I love Rudolph so much. Elephant, I used to be obsessed with the little elephant when I was little, and I like very specifically remember my mom buying like a little toy set of Rudolph and like all the Misfit toys, and I would decorate like the little village that she would do like around the fireplace with all the Rudolph stuff. So I love the packaging on this and I really wanted to play around with it. What better palette to use for like a holiday look than this one? So I did like a fun little look, but I also kept it pretty simple just because I feel like when it comes to like Christmas and stuff, for me, like when I'm like getting ready to go places and getting gifts and stuff, like I feel like I never have time to actually like sit down and get ready. So I did something that's like super simple but still like very effective, and I feel like you'll get so many compliments on your makeup wherever you're at this holiday season. It just looks like you tried, but it wasn't really too hard. Like it's really simple eye look. It's just like a pop of color for liner and like a pop of color on the lips. Super easy gemstones. So it looks like you tried, but it really isn't that hard. It's honestly a pretty simple look, but it's very effective and it'll get the job done. And I know you will get compliments on your makeup. So anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, so my eyes are primed. I'm going to go into the ColourPop and Rudolph palette. This palette is so cute and I really like love Rudolph. Like I don't think you guys understand. Go into Eat Eat. It's that one right there. I'm gonna do like a really simple look in the crease, and it's gonna be mainly like focusing on some liner. I really want to go in with like the red for the liner. Just kind of going in with like a really soft crease color. Going with Little Buck, this shade, and I'm gonna put that a little bit deeper in the crease just to kind of define this outer part. Focusing that like right in this inner part of my crease too, so it's really defined. I'm gonna go in a little bit with North Pole. It's this shade right here. It's like a nice bright color. And put that like on my lid. Just doing that like really softly. I don't want it to be super intense, kind of more like just a wash of shimmer. Because I want the liner to pop more like that. So it looks super simple on the eyes right now. And then for the liner, with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Be My Baby, use this as a base and then I'll go over it with that shadow. Taking that really thinly across the eye and then I'm gonna wing it out. It's like raining outside, so the freaking lighting keeps like changing. So if the lighting keeps getting weird, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna go ahead, once I did that with the Cream Gel Liner, go with Handsome Nose and just kind of set that. And just kind of it's gonna just make that cream gel liner just like a little bit more intense since they both are shimmers. It's just gonna look super metallic and perfect for the holidays. I love how this looks. Look at how pretty that looks. It's like liquid red metallic. So pretty. That shadow on top of it just really brings it all together. I know it doesn't look like much right now, especially because I don't have like the rest of my makeup on, but it's such like a pretty hint of like red, and it matches like my little scrunchie perfectly too. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna do that on this eye really quick. So it should look something like that. I really like how it's looking. Again, I just wanted to do something really simple that doesn't take too much effort. Like I said, I usually am like running around all day on Christmas, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my base really quick. I'm gonna use the Lawless Forget the Filler Perfecting Cream as my primer, ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, and then the Huda Faux Filter Concealer. I'm gonna just do that off camera really quick because it just takes so long. Went ahead and did my foundation and concealer. For bronzer, I'm going in with the ColourPop bronzer stick in La Jolla Cove. I just really like this bronzer stick really well for me. It feels so nice on the skin too. Like, it blends out like a dream. I also like Laguna Beach, but I can't find it. But this one works just as well. It's just like a little bit more warmer, which I don't mind. So I'm just gonna blend that out. Going in for blush, I am taking the ColourPop Bali Baby Cream Blush. I really like this one, and I think it'll go good because it's like a really pretty like pinky mauvey color. I just like to warm it up like that a little bit, and then I'll just go in. I've gone ahead and just done like all my creams and stuff. Go ahead and take the Huda Beauty setting powder and just go ahead and set my under eyes and everything. I also just kind of like to blend in my blush with my concealer under my eyes with whatever's left on my sponge. I want to take a little bit of this Huda Easy Bake and Snatch powder as well. Okay, I like that. I like brightened up my under eyes so nicely. I actually really like this for the under eyes. I like smooth out my under eyes so nicely. Brighten them so well too. So go ahead and just contour my nose while I'm here. So I'm just baking the sides of my nose right now. Back with the Rudolph palette, and I'm gonna go in with Little Buck. That was the like deeper one that we were using, and then like the outer corner. And I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line. You could also use the red. It's up to you, but I want the red liner on the top to just kind of be like its own little moment. So I'll just leave it at brown, but I am kind of connecting that to the liner anyway. And I'm going to go in with a clean brush and just kind of blend that out. Super cute, super simple. Again, I just really wanted to focus the color mostly like on the liner part. I add like a little bit more sparkle. You could take the Half Magic Glitter Puck. I literally add this every single time I do my makeup, like no matter what. So I'm just taking a little bit of it. I'm just putting that right there. Just adds like the perfect amount of sparkle without doing too much. I love this product. This is the best product of all time. Go ahead and put on some mascara really quick. I'm taking the Huda One Coat Wow and the Lawless One and Done mascara and just kind of using both of them. I'm running out of this one right now, but I like this mascara too, but I also like the brush on this one, so I kind of like go back and forth, but I'm gonna use these two. We're pretty much all done. We just need our lips. So I was gonna use the Rudolph lip kit that comes with that collection, but I only got the Rudolph lip liner. There's like two lip kits in that collection. It's like the Clarice one and then also Rudolph, but I got two Clarice lipsticks. So I'm gonna go in with the lip liner, and I was gonna use a different lipstick anyway, but I kind of want to either go in with Wicked Apple from About Face or Edward's Fantasy from Half Magic. Since this is a darker red lip liner anyway, you guys know I love a dark red lip, so let's go in with a lip liner. I don't think I'm going to use this lip liner, actually. It's really pretty. It just doesn't match the red that's on my eyes, and it's going to bother me. Because this one's like more of a like burnt red, and this is more like fuchsia-y red. So let me get a different lip liner. I'm going to skip the lip liner. I think I'm just going to go in with the Half Magic, the Edward's Fantasy Mouth Cloud Liquid Lip. Yes, this is what I wanted. I like this formula because you can like build it up. It's like, I don't want to say it's sheer because it's not, but it's like, so, yes, it's like so soft. It kind of just gives you that like soft blurred lip kind of look. Love this. And it kind of almost matches the liner on the eyes. And again, you can kind of build these up, but they still look like so soft and blurred on the lips. So, ooh, I forgot how much I love this color. And it's called Edward's Fantasy, you guys. Like, Twilight, I love Half Magic. So, okay, so basically like the look is done. Definitely add some like gemstones to like spice it up. I think the Half Magic, what are these ones called? The crystalline nude ones would be so pretty. I love these ones. They're like a rose gold. I think I'm gonna add like one to the inner corner. I actually did a video for Half Magic the other day on Instagram of all like my favorite type of placements for the gemstones. So if you guys don't like know where to put them or like how to apply them or like need some like ideas of where to put some gemstones on, you can go watch that video. I'll link it down below. But I think I might do one and then like one up here. I don't know. Let me see. I always use the Half Magic tweezers because they pick up the gemstones like perfectly. But I'm going to take the little small ones. Oops. These are the easiest things in the world to use. Look how easy that is. Do one and then let's do one at the end of the liner. Cute! Okay, see, like that really just like adds so much to the look. Pretty self-adhesive, so like you don't have to do shit. Like you literally just pop them on and like walk out the house. Also, I know I just said I did a video for Half Magic. This isn't sponsored. I just love these. There we go. Laziest person ever. And I hate, honestly, I really do hate getting ready sometimes. And like adding the little gemstones looks like I really tried. I wore them the other day at work. I literally wasn't wearing like any makeup really. I was just wearing like mascara and like lip gloss. And I just put them on and I was like, wow. And I got so many compliments at work. Everyone was like, oh my god, your makeup looks so cute today. I was like, girl, I got ready in like 5 minutes. I just popped on gemstones. The final look. Look at how cute the gemstones look. They just add like a little something. I love it. I am like so obsessed with this look. I honestly didn't even feel like super inspired this morning. I was like, I don't know what look I'm gonna do. I kind of just was winging it the whole time. But oh my god, it looks so cute. I honestly really love this. I think I might wear this on Christmas Day. I'm going to my boyfriend's mom's house on Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna either do that or I might do this when we go to like his dad's side of the family on Christmas Day. But I'm obsessed. This is like so cute. I love it. And I feel like it's so simple, but you'll still get compliments like all night long because it looks like you really tried. And it really wasn't that much. It was like super easy. I just really wanted to do a holiday look for you guys. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while and I just really felt like sitting down and filming today just because it's been such a long month and I haven't filmed and I just really wanted to get back in front of the camera again, and what better way than like a simple fun holiday look. But anyways, yeah, I'll go ahead and link everything down below that I used today. I do end up like recreating this for the holiday this weekend. I hope that you guys get so many compliments and I hope that you guys just feel super cute. Spirit of the holiday. For once in like a very long time, I feel actually like super excited for Christmas and to spend it with my boyfriend and his family and my dad. And yeah, I'm just like really happy and excited, and I'm like very much in like the holiday spirit this year, so it's really nice. I love having my own space, and I got me and my boyfriend like decorated the whole house for Christmas. Our Christmas tree, I'll put a picture of it right here, like all the presents, we wrapped everything this past weekend and it just feels like Christmas in my house for once. I feel like I haven't felt like Christmas, like it hasn't felt like Christmas since my mom passed, and like for once I finally feel like in the Christmas spirit, and it just feels like Christmas again. And I don't want to cry because my makeup looks so cute and I have to go to work after this, but I just feel really happy right now, you guys. And I know I've been a little MIA, I know it's been like crazy lately, but yeah, I'm like going off on a tangent. Anyways, I feel very like in the spirit and this look made me super happy today. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for always sticking around and watching today's video. I hope that you guys have like the most amazing holiday with whoever you're spending the holidays with, whether it be your loved ones, friends, whoever it is. I hope that you guys have the most amazing holiday, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I'll definitely do one before the new year. I want to do one before the new year. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.